You don't want it.
Lily.
She's too excited. I'm going to give you this. That will really excite her. Guess who came to see you? Guess who came to see you? Who's that? Who's that? Dora. She came to see you. It's for Lily.
So thank you.
Thank you,
Mimi.
Yep.
You can have it.
You can have it. It's yours.
Yay. Go get it. That's Lily.
Who is that?
Dora.
Wow.
She's just so excited.